Okay, hi guys. Today I'm here to show you a Far Cry 4 fix where basically as soon as you start playing the game, you cannot get any sound. It starts right after the intro when you're captured and taken to dinner by the main villain. Alright, you'll notice as soon as the blindfolds or the bag is removed from over your head, you'll get no sound and straight into the game, right? And even if you were to continue playing, you will get no sound, alright? So I'm here to show you how to actually fix that issue to restore sound. A while ago you saw my copy and the sound is actually working fine. I'm getting all the background sounds, I'm getting all the dialogue with no issues. Now I'm here to help out anybody who's having this issue. Alright, so you can check out the website. I'll have the link with the article and I'll have link to any software I mentioned. Alright, so on the blog, that's blogtechtips.com, you can actually get the full article and get a breakdown of everything you'll need. Now the main way to fix this issue is, if you're having the issue, is one, you're gonna come down here to the lower right of your screen where you have your volume control. You're going to right click on your speaker, you're going to click on playback devices. It will open this menu you see here. Then you're going to select the main speaker and then you click on configuration right here. And what you're going to realize is that in my case I've already corrected the issue. You're going to set it from, it's normally on 5.1 surround sound. You're going to set it to stereo, and then you're going to hit next and you're going to select front and left and right speakers and you're going to click next again and you're going to click finish to confirm. Alright, now in most cases that will fix the issue. Now another way you could do this is that you go to your sound control. For everybody, depending on your motherboard, you might be using a different control panel. I am using Realtek HD Audio. You can check out yours. You might be using something differently. You can come in here to do the same thing and it will be on 5.1 surround. You're going to change it to stereo, right? And you're going to use front left and right audio, right? And you're going to confirm everything and save. If you're using Dolby Digital surround, you need to disable that. Alright guys, so once you have done that, you basically can go again in game and start work over and you'll get your sound. Alright, so I'm gonna close this. Now in very rare cases you'll also need DirectX, as I'm showing here on the website. So you'll have to actually come out to the website. I'll give you the direct link. You can download the runtime environment from Microsoft, and what that's going to do is actually it's going to give you the latest update of your runtime environment and update it so your games play to the best quality in terms of visual and sound. Alright, so the first tip should fix it for you. If not, that second tip will fix it to you. The link will be on the screen. You can check out the website blogtechtips.com. Alright, thank you guys. This has been a tutorial on how to fix the Far Cry 4 no sound issue. Alright guys, thanks and bye.